Another day working on the ferry here, making progress. We almost got those old pieces. Limited resources. We weren't planning on a project like this. We got them one pair of Vanna sunglasses, no cutting wheels. We got like, I got one grinding disc left and I almost got it out of there. And then I'm just gonna bend the deck and form it up and form off that.
I think some clarity is needed when George says we were underprepared for this project. We brought all of our tools, but we had really no idea that we were going to have to try to remove a steel roof from a steel boat. It just wasn't really in our radar. We were using anything that we had. It was really frustrating because the pandemic had just hit. And all the hardware stores were closed, and even the grocery stores at this point. So we were trying to just scrape together stuff that we could find on our boat and on the boat that we bought, the Sarah G. We were just piecing together anything that we could to try to get the boat safe enough to cross the Gulf Stream.
I haven't slept in days.
Seriously, he hasn't slept in days.
I'm happy. I'm so happy, but
Not the same time.
we're trying to move in and we're still cold. So I'm not sleeping until it's fixed.
Fair.
No, jump.
The reason why this video is not so much of a how-to is because this isn't a how-to. If we had the proper tools, we would not have been doing it this way, but we were kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place. We bought this boat, we were stuck in the Bahamas, everything was shut down, we had no tools, we had no supplies, but we had to figure out how to make it work. So yeah, this isn't really a step-by-step on how to fix a steel boat properly. This is more of, we did what we had to do. Half of it's out and on our roof. What?
Pumping the pump jack, that throttle jack is just blown out and junk. It's leaking oil everywhere. And I don't have another one to borrow, so I'm trying to raise the roof a little bit here. But I'm just making a mess right now.
Oh yeah, it's going up. It's like a really ominous sound. Woo!
Oh, look at it.
We did it! And just a couple of injuries, just a messed up hand, a broken toe, and lots of fighting.
The kids didn't get hurt yet, which is amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, that was really tough.
I really like the new view from our bedroom. Well, there's a tarp on our roof and there are leaks everywhere because it's downpouring. But it is so nice having that gone. Stop leaking. You're making my boat look like a POS. Stop. Anyway, there may be leaks and the roof might be in sorry shape, but I just love this boat so much. I just have to stop in here really quickly because this is a pretty big jump in time. I don't know what happened. Probably a mixture of the fact that we have been working our butts off at this point to get the Sarah G livable, and we have 2 small children and a pandemic and the country was shut down. I think I forgot to film the next process, but I have to stop here and give a huge shout out to our friend Woody, who saved our butts and sailed his boat all the way up from Eleuthera to where we were in the Abacos to build this beautiful roof for us out of driftwood that we found on the beach. I am not kidding. This was literally driftwood that we picked up off of the beach. What day is it, George?
I don't know.
Silly day!
I have no idea.
It's-
Night, day, time, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Well, it's day 37 and we're putting up a sail.
Day 37.
Day 37.
Day 37. Putting up some sails! Woo!
Woo! We have a roof! Woody, Mr. Paul Woodcock, you saved our asses.
Join us next week for more shenanigans.